In this tutorial, you will learn how to move multiple sheets together from one workbook to another. Here in the screen, I have two workbooks. First of all, let me open both of these. Here in workbook B, I have three sheets GH, IJ and KL. In the workbook A, I have six sheets A, B, C, D, E, F, 100, 101 and 102. My requirement is to move these three sheets to another workbook. For that, first of all, we have to select all the three sheets. To select the sheet, press and hold Ctrl key in keyboard, then select every single sheet. But if you have too many sheets and if you want to select all of them continuously, then you can select first one, then press and hold the shift key in keyboard, then select the another one. That will select all sheets. You can choose any of the two method based on your requirement. To come out from the selection mode, you can click on any other sheet like this. Here I am selecting these three sheets by holding the Ctrl key. After this, move the pointer on any of the selected, then right click on move or copy option. Then here in the move or copy dialog box, you have to select the workbook where you want to move the sheet. Here let me select this workbook B. Here you can select in which location you want to move the sheets. If you click on this sheet IJ, then the sheets will be moved before sheet IJ. If you want to put the sheet at the end, then click on this move to end. And if you want to duplicate the sheet by keeping this sheet here in this workbook too, you can click on this create a copy. But if you want to move it, don't select this create a copy option, simply click on OK. And here you see the sheets are moved to another workbook. Here this 102 is also moved, but I don't want this to move here. For this, right click on this move or copy, then select this workbook A, click on move to end, then click on OK. Here you see sheet number 102 is moved to workbook A. If you go here in the workbook B, these three sheets are moved here. So this is how we can move multiple sheets from one workbook to another in Excel. Thank you so much for watching. We will again meet in next video tutorial.